welcome back to the channel. Today is the final day that we are working on the fire chicken. And we're going to be installing the decals here. Now, we're going to be using the wet method where we use this product called Slide-On. I actually have this left over from 5 years ago when I did a Trans Am, so it's a nice little money saver. So basically, we are using 3rd gen graphics on a 4th gen Trans Am. Reason is, as much as I would have loved to have used like the earlier 70s graphics, they were just way too big. And little point, when you order these, basically Phoenix Graphics, they make all these, but you can order them from other places for less money. That makes 0 sense. But I got these from Jegs. They said they were 41 high by 38 wide. That's wrong. They're 38 high. So this is a 96 Trans Am. As you see, we got plenty of room. You know, we're pretty much going to go, I don't know, I'm going to decide if I'm going to stay here or move it a little bit. But in the meantime, we are going to be doing the little sail panel birds and also the little Trans Am here on the sides. Now, this car originally, it did come with little Trans Ams that went down here, but I want to go with the gold. I think it'll just stick out a little bit better. So what I'm doing is I'm going to clean the surface first with alcohol. I kind of got myself taped up here exactly where I want to do it. Then I'm going to put the Slide-On on the car and then on the back of the graphic, adjust it all out and squeegee it. Now, I'm not going to film like recording cleaning it or, you know, putting the Slide-On on, but I will hit the record button when I am just getting ready to center it up. So let's get started. All right, now we leave this paper on here. You want to leave it on here, it says for about 3 hours or so. So we're not going to touch it. We're just going to leave it, peel it off later. So I'm going to run around the car. I'm going to do this sail panel here, get everything measured, repeat the process on the other side, and then we're going to handle the big dog. I've never really been known for my patience, so after about a half hour, we took it off. And I'm going to say I'm pretty happy with that. Not bad. Just trying to work the balls up to jump on this hood by myself. I'm working by myself, so what I did was I went through and I cut the backing paper just in the back, and I'm going to put this on and I'm going to make it 2 pieces. I'm going to slap it down, fold one side over, goop it all up, get her into place, lift up the other paper, get her into place, and hopefully I get this done. This is kind of scary because it's like 270 bucks if I mess this up. But let's go get her measured up, taped in place, and go from there. We have her all measured up. We're happy with the location. I mean, I tried to line up the center exactly with the little ram air thing. So we have the left side all taped down into place. The right side, you know, it is what it is. So what I'm going to be doing is, now that I have that slit in the back, I'm going to put the Slide-On all over the hood, put it on the back of the sticker. We're going to lay her out, and we're just going to tack her down. We're not going to go too heavy or anything at first. And once that's tacked down, I'll start in the center. I'm only going to go out like maybe 2 or 3 inches or so, and then I'm going to do this side. Make sure she lays out good, and see where we end up. All right, so here we are. We are ready to go. So I'm either going to get this right, or I'm going to be spend another $269 on another sticker pack. So let me throw some music on and pray for the best.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alright, I would be lying if I said that wasn't scary. So we gotta wait like an hour for the paper to dry, and then we'll peel her back. Here we go. We have been on here for a good hour or so, so we're gonna start peeling. And we're gonna go right up the center, just kind of ripping it, as you can see, and hopefully it comes off. Let's find out. Alright, so here's the only imperfection over here. A couple little dots and that, so let's work those out. And then we'll see what bubbles we got left. Oh, and a little tiny crease right there. That I don't think we're gonna... Oh wait, yeah, maybe we will. The finished product. Here we go. We are all set. Now I'd say overall it came out really, really good. I got probably spent about 10 minutes pushing air bubbles out, but didn't mess anything up. The only mistake I got is I have a little tiny wrinkle right there that I'm going to keep working on as it dries. But other than that, I got all the bubbles out that were up here in this corner. I did have a couple big ones down here that, you know, you really got to look at the angle like straight across to see any bubbles. But for the most part, I'm happy with it. So this is a 3rd gen sticker pack on a 4th gen. And yeah, I like the little Trans Am. And the sail panels. They're pretty sharp. So for my purposes, this vehicle is pretty much done. I mean, that's going to do it. Probably going to go under a cover for the next year or so. Maybe I'll take it out once or twice in the summer. But yeah, saving this for my son for when he turns 17. This will be one of his cars. So guys, thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and get off the couch and get in the garage. For the application, we're going to be using Slide On. Now, not to be confused with Slide In, which you keep next to your nightstand. And definitely not to be confused with slide and fill, which also known as sildenafil. You know what? That's a whole nother story. We're not going to go into that. So we're going to open up these stickers and we're going to see exactly what these look like. So let's go from there.